My name is Darren and I come from a small town in central Canada. For the last few years, I've lived a life that most people can only dream about. I live in a custom-built home just a few minutes from a championship golf course, and I also have a second home in beautiful Riviera Maya, Mexico. But life wasn't always like this. Not so long ago, I worked as a factory laborer, making just a few $100 per week, lived in a mobile home trailer, and drove a beat-up old pickup truck. Life definitely wasn't a box of chocolates, that's for sure. For as long as I can remember while growing up, I was programmed to believe that you have to work hard to become successful, and that's what I did. But the work hard and wait plan, it didn't seem to get me any further ahead. It only made my stress levels go up, and it completely exhausted me. Before long, like many good hard-working people, my debt just kept climbing and climbing. I really started to believe that the light at the end of the tunnel was just another train coming to steamroll my dreams. I was broke, tired, frustrated, and I had no idea how to get out of the rut I was in. You name it, I've tried it, from MLMs to franchise to stuffing envelopes. I've tried them all, and I've had my fair share of stumbles along the way, but I'm thankful I never gave up. I remember seeing people drive by in their fancy BMWs, Mercedes, and Porsches. Then I would think to myself, what are they doing different than me? These people are not smarter than me, and they definitely don't work as hard as I do. So what makes them different? I made it my mission to uncover the secret sauce, if you can call it that, and what I discovered literally changed my life. It's just two simple words: systems, relationships. That's it, systems and relationships. The common thread to all successful people is they have systems and relationships in place. I know it sounds easy, because it is easy. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." And that's so true. I took that to heart, got on the airplane and started attending mastermind events so I could truly surround myself with people who were making millions of dollars per year. That moment in time when I decided to change my way of thinking in terms of abundance, that is the moment when my life changed forever. Once my mindset shifted, I started to easily spot the common threads of the ultra successful. Such things as what I like to call the 3 Ps. That is people, products, and process. When I cut out all of the noise from my life and just focused on aligning with companies that had the 3 Ps in place, I began having mind-blowing success. In fact, that's exactly what attracted me to Mob. It passed the 3 P checklist. Mob has the people in place. They have an extremely focused and growth-driven owner. They have the world's best phone coaches to help members get started. They have an amazing support team, and they have world-class, high-level speakers like I've never seen in any other company. Mob has the products in place. They have a deep, deep base of cutting-edge products that people can learn from, profit from, and license as their own. Mob has the process in place. They have multiple high-converting opt-in and sales pages to go along with the products, which members are licensed to sell as their own. They have a super deep, fully automated back-end in place, which pays members more commissions more often without any extra effort. The whole system is completely automated for maximum conversions, right from the time you send targeted traffic until you cash your checks. Mob really is the best business I've ever been a part of, hands down. One of the coolest things about Mob is the continuous recognition it gives its partners for helping grow the business to extraordinary levels. For making just a few sales each month, Matt Lloyd buys Mob partners a car of their choice through the Mob Motors program. I received a brand new, fully loaded Mercedes-Benz AMG 6.3 with upgraded sport package. It's got all the bells and whistles, and best of all, it's fully paid for by Mob. Another recognition Matt does is he awards partners who have earned $100,000 in commission with a 100K club ring. And the recognition doesn't stop there. Matt also awards partners who have earned $1 million in commissions with a $1 million club ring. This ring is made of solid platinum and has 45 diamonds around the body. It truly is amazing. The thing to keep in mind is these levels of recognition are not hard to achieve. The people, the products, and the process, they're all in place. It just flat out works. My results with Mob speak for themselves. I'm just an average guy who grew up on the farm working hard, 15 to 18 hours a day, 6 to 7 days a week, nearly drowning in debt. All I had was a burning desire to succeed and the will to work smarter. Because of that, I've been able to achieve extraordinary results in just a short amount of time with Mob. In my first 4 months with Mob, being a licensed partner, I was able to generate over $1 million in commissions, making me the first partner to ever be entered into the $1 Million Club on stage at the Atlantis Resort in Nassau, Bahamas. Since then, 3 other Mob millionaires have been made, and there's a bunch of others set to be made. Since I started Mob, My partner Spot has generated over $3 million in commissions. Not gross sales, but commissions paid. That is a true testament to how powerful this business really is. In fact, there are almost too many success stories to count, which are coming from regular people like you and me each and every day. It's really exciting to be part of something so magical like this. If somebody is looking to get started in Moab, I say just do it. Go through the steps and embrace the process, then prepare for success, because success is yours for the making. I know from first-hand experience there is nowhere else you can get paid to travel the world multiple times per year. There is nowhere else you can get paid to rub shoulders with 7, 8, and 9-figure earners. There is nowhere else you can truly live the life you dream about. You can have anything you want in life. All you have to do is think big, dream big, and live even bigger. Remember, it's your life, take action, and make the most of it.